Bottled water versus tap water. We are busting some myths in case you missed it. Which is tested more, your bottled water or your tap water? We've got the answer and how a simple switch could help minimize your exposure to microplastics. And out with the old and in with the new. How an updated JEA facility will improve community power and safety. Plus, have you heard it? We call it Big Jim. Wait till you hear the history behind it, how JEA saved it, and how we power it now. And that is our weekend review. In case you missed it, for more on these stories, click the links in the post. JEA, building community.